In case if a person falls short of following God's guidance, then in this life the person has an option to repent to God, sincerely coming to God for God's forgiveness without any mediator. Once we pass away, there is no forgiveness, by the way, right? We cannot say on the day of judgment, okay, God, please forgive us. It would be too late. This life is the life where we have to recognize our shortcomings, ask for God's forgiveness. So, if a person has the right belief in doing good deeds to the best of the ability, then God says that He is going to forgive the sins. By the mercy of God, those people will go to paradise. But in case, if a Muslim, for example, if their sins are so humongous and they kept on doing the sins and they did not repent to God, that means they have to spend some time in the hellfire until they get purified. But ultimately they will be placed into paradise. And paradise is a place in which there would be spiritual, psychological and physical rewards. But those people, for example, if they keep on worshipping somebody else along with God or instead of God, and they die like that despite knowing who the Creator is, then Islam also believes in the hellfire. So those people who are bound to go to hellfire would be the ones who associated partners with God, because it says in the Quran, chapter 4, verse number 116, that Allah is willing to forgive all the sins. The only one sin God is not going to forgive, if a person dies like that, is the sin of associating partners with God. That means worshipping a human along with God, worshipping an idol, worshipping animals, or worshipping the creation along with God, and if they die like that without repenting, so they will be getting the bad grade, which is synonymous with hellfire. And I hope and pray that may Allah protect each one of us from the hellfire by God's mercy, His guidance, right? His love, that He guides all of us to the truth, which is oneness of God and believing in all the prophets and obeying God's guidance. So that's what Islam believes about the day of judgment and what will happen to us in the hereafter.